Today we have a video from Bodycam Network USA, and the title of the video is "Woman Wanted in Connection to Shooting Attacks Deputy During Felony Stop."
On August 4th, 2024, an officer with the Orlando Police Department was on routine patrol when he ran the license plate of a nearby vehicle and learned that the vehicle had recently been involved in a shooting investigation and decided to conduct a traffic stop.
She hopping out? Oh
boy. Let me see your hands. Put your hands up. Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle. Turn around.
Step out. Okay.
Turn around and put your hands up. Turn around and put your hands up. Walk back to the sound of my voice. Walk back to the sound of my voice. Keep coming. Keep coming. All right, walk your side 3 times. Come over here.
Are you sitting there?
Come over here. Put your hands behind your back. Hands behind your back.
I have my chip in the car.
Stop.
Get the f*** out of me.
Stop.
Get the f*** out of me. Get the f*** out of me. I got my kids in the car. I got my kids in the car, man. I got my kids in the car. I got my kids in the car. I got my kids in the car.
You got your kids in the car, so why are you making it a crazy big scene so now your kids can be hyped up and amped up and start yelling and crying and like, oh my goodness.
You want to put it in the car second system?
Get my kids! 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 Get my kids!
Get the door.
Get my kids, bro! Get my kids! Yada, hold on!
Stop!
Yada, calm down! Yada, hold on!
Hey, you! You too, nigga!
Oh, we might. Hold on, we might have to get him together too. All right. Might have to get a 2-for-1 deal.
Stop!
Calm down! Calm down! Are the babies in here? Yes! Oh my God! She just popped up. They came behind. What happened?
They started following us. Come on. My car.
Yeah, gotta get a 2-for-1 deal, man.
Relax. We'll figure it out.
Mom, I'm at a Mom, call Kiara's mom. Call Kiara's mom. I'm at Kiara's aunt's house in Palm Springs. Damn, it's gonna get fucked up.
I'll put it in the car. Don't worry about it.
Can you grab my phone? Can you grab my phone?
I'm gonna grab it for you.
Can you please grab my? Oh my God.
Hey, turn around.
Yo!
Hey, relax.
Grab my phone. Grab my phone.
Hey, put the phone in the car.
Oh my God, bro, my shit finna break, bro. This shit lame as fuck, bro. Are y'all serious, bro? You started choking her, bro?
Choke her. I grabbed her because she started fighting me. All she had to do was comply, and it wouldn't have gone that way. So.
Yeah, but that's common sense. You can't tell him that.
Can I get the babies out?
Do me a favor, just step back for a minute, okay?
Let's go stand under.
Actually, you got a porch we can stand under, man?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes, I'll get it, yes. Oh my God. What happened?
I don't know, ma'am. They'll talk with you shortly, okay?
Okay. I'm literally vacuuming and I see this car pulled up and I just literally make them tell my husband and my son, somebody just got pulled over running around the house.
Do you know
and then
her?
I see, yeah, she's my niece.
Oh, okay.
I'm just calling her mom.
And where's your niece right now? Is she secured in the car?
She's in the car.
Sir, I don't know.
Okay, all right. So the children, you're familiar with these children?
Yes.
Do you mind holding on to them?
Absolutely. I want them. Absolutely.
All right, give us a second. I just
I
want to
have
make
no
sure
idea. Nobody's
okay?
Yeah, we're okay.
Get an umbrella, babe, because she got the babies in the car.
Can I get them out? Can I get the babies out?
1 second, ma'am.
Hold on, babe.
Is the vehicle running?
I don't even know.
It's running, sir.
Yeah, she's my niece. I didn't even know what was going on. I just seen someone pulled off.
Just don't touch anything in the vehicle. Just grab the baby, okay?
All right.
Thank you. Come around this side. Come around this side.
I won't.
Thank you. Thank you.
There's a little baby here, too.
Oh my, babe, I need the umbrella.
Let me grab my raincoat. Get an umbrella? Yeah. Even that one. That one will work.
I got it, sir.
Got it? I got one in the back. Oh, that was broken.
It's broken?
Yeah, dude. Well,
Do you want to use it anyway?
I'm sorry, though. Appreciate it, though. Thank you.
Bro, get me the f out of here!
Damn, you know what's worse than going to jail? Going to jail wet. Oh man. Ugh. Gonna have to sit in them clothes for a little while until they get you something to change into, because well, whatever, she been involved in the shooting, so she probably going to the county, you know. But damn, she gonna have to sit. Ugh.
Bro, get this. Get my f***ing kids! Get my babies. They drink seven ounces of milk.
What?
They drink 7 ounces of milk.
Okay, what happened?
I don't know. I don't f***ing know.
Okay. All right, your mom's on her way here.
All right, take care of my babies.
All right.
Goodbye.
Here's the District 1 watch commander.
Are you taking me out? Give me.
Let me check your coach real quick. All right. Yeah, come on out.
You guys are ridiculous. I'm not talking to nobody. Look at my kids. Y'all are crazy, bro. Y'all are crazy, bro. Take this shit off me. Y'all are crazy, bro.
Put your feet aside.
Why are you not taking me out?
Check your cuffs for you.
What's your name, ma'am?
Kiara, I don't need you to check my cuffs. Take me out.
How do you spell your first name?
Kiara. I can't show because you got my kids, bro.
Your aunt has your kids, okay? Calm down, okay? And then we're going to explain to you what's going on. Give him your information.
All right, are you going to take me out?
No, you're not coming out right this second. Okay?
All right, Kiara, Kiara.
And we'll get your knee fixed.
I don't need that. I don't care. I don't care. I need my kids.
What's up? Hey.
96 Fox BSS, the 41 at Publix.
You ain't care about your kids being involved in these crimes.
Hi.
Hi.
How you doing?
Fine.
Fine. What happened to your knee?
Nothing. I don't care. I don't want y'all to touch me. Give me my kids. Get me out of here.
Do you want EMS?
No.
Okay.
Brother, can you just...
Oh, you're fireman.
Yeah.
Do you want them to check you out?
No.
Perfect attitude. Okay.
He's gonna take a picture of you now.
Well...
All right. Are you like, what are we doing? Because y'all don't talk.
Well, you're being placed
And
under...
you tackle me for no reason. You ain't even saying nothing. That should be illegals. Are you gonna tell me what happened? What am I here for? Ridiculous, bitch. This is your fault because you don't talk. That's why. Y'all are f***ed up. Y'all don't say nothing to nobody. And then you tackle me for no reason. You're the reason why I need medical help. Why the f*** would you do that to me? I'm not knowing what's going on and y'all f***ing me up. Now I gotta go to jail. What? I don't know nothing that's going on, and you tackle me, and that's the reason why I need medical. Right, because you don't talk. I can't listen if you're not saying nothing. I'm asking you what's happening. Yes, you do. Yes, you do.
You just need to listen.
No, you need to speak then. But you're not saying nothing. I'm asking you what's happening. What's happening? What's going on? Put your hands on the shit, and then you tackle me, bitch. Be so for real. I don't know nothing that's happening. I'm innocent. I don't know nothing that's happening. I'm a f***ing victim, and y'all treat me like shit. I need my kids, bro. I need my chits, my children. Are y'all crazy?
No, I'm sorry I had to go down that way.
Yeah, are you? Fuck up. You're sorry you had to go down that way. You should change your approach to people. Hi, you're gonna be, can you get out the car, please? We need to tell you what's going on. No. Get out the car. Like, what?
Okay, do you realize that this vehicle that you were driving is involved in a shooting?
No, I didn't. That's what I'm telling you. I don't know nothing.
So I had no time to explain to you what I'm doing.
You got no time.
Now I do, and now I'm explaining it to you. But at the time, you can't just sit there and not listen to me.
That's crazy.
The vehicle's involved in a shooting. So I think the occupants of the vehicle are armed. So I'm going to take the necessary things that I have to do to make sure I'm safe. You understand that? I'm not trying to be a douche. I'm not trying to be a dick. But that's how it went down. You weren't listening, so now you get to go to jail. I mean, I'm sorry. All you have to do is say, okay, and then we'll figure it out later.
Well, I'm asking you politely, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? You're not telling me what's going on. Now I have to be without my kids because you're a face. You're a dummy. You don't know how to, like, speak to people. You don't know how to speak to people. That's not cool.
All you have to do is listen.
How old are you?
Doesn't matter.
You're not old enough, obviously. You need to grow up. You don't know how to speak to people. What is that? Just because you're a troll don't mean you can treat people how to, any way you want.
You don't know how to listen.
Come on, Sibyl. Work with me. Let me know if it gets too hot because I turned it up, okay?
That's fine.
You feel the hot air?
No.
Should be blowing right on you.
No.
No?
Maybe my hair is... I don't feel it. Oh, there it is. Yes.
Okay. Are you good now?
Yes.
So maybe she actually wasn't involved with it, but she's driving that vehicle and she's probably going to get arrested for whatever, resisting and stuff like that until they whatever. Well, at least that, and hold her until they can investigate whatever happened with that car and the shooting.
Does jail look like the movies?
Uh-huh.
Does jail look like the movies? Like,
It depends.
is there multiple floors?
Uh-huh.
Is there multiple floors?
Yes.
I'll be like going into a room with somebody.
I really couldn't tell you because once we give you to the jail deputies, we don't go further.
Oh, it feels so good.
What happened?
Feels good.
Easy.
She never been to jail before, huh? Asking, is
She
it
was
like the
then taken
movies?
to the Palm Beach County Jail, where she was booked and charged with battery on a law enforcement officer and resisting officers with violence. If you enjoy the content we produce,
Yeah, man. Is it like the movies? With multiple floors? Oh, yeah. It's a lot of people. Well, I mean, it's not a lot of you in a small. You in a small little rinky-dink county, you know what I mean? But, you know, if you in a bigger county where more crime and all that stuff is going on, oh, yeah. And they in there waiting on you too, because you don't know the ropes. You don't know what's going on. So you the new Jack. You the new Jack on the scene. Look, you never been there before neither? Oh, yeah. But anyway, crazy. She ain't have to act like that. So if she would have just complied, she would have never went to jail, because what she was charged with was dealing with that incident, but not necessarily anything involving with the actual shooting. The guy was arrested, and I wonder maybe he was the one that was involved. I don't know, but crazy situation, man.